friends, welcome back. In our last video, we saw different ways to greet people in English. Hope you used all that in your everyday conversations. Today, we are going to see how to reply when someone asks you, "How are you?" So, the normal common reply everybody give is, "I am fine, thank you." Now, let's try it in a little different way. Let's see what are the different other replies you can give when someone asks you, "How are you?" Firstly, let's see how to respond when you're actually happy in your life, when you're actually in a good mood. So, the first thing you can say is, "I'm great," which is a very common answer. "I'm great." How are you? "I'm great." Next thing you can say, "I'm really good." "I'm really good." Or, "I'm pretty good." "I'm pretty good." Then you can say, "I'm okay." How are you doing? "I'm okay." Or, "I'm all right." "I'm all right." The next thing you can say is, "Can't complain." How's your life going? How are you? Can't complain. Which means your life is going pretty well. You have food on your table, you have friends and family, so you have nothing to complain about. Can't complain. The next thing is, all good. How are you? All good. All good. The last one you can say is, "I've never been better." "I've never been better," which means you're in the best stage of your life and you're really happy. "I've never been better." Next, let's say that your situation has changed. You're not as happy as you are before. Now you're just living your life. Nothing much is actually happening in your life. So let's see in situations like that what kind of responses you can give. So the first one you can say is, "Not bad." It's a very common reply. "Not bad." How are you? Not bad." Then you can say, "Same old." Same old, which means you are just the same as you were before. Same old. How are you? Same old. The next one is, "Still here." Still here. Or still alive. Still alive. That is, you've had a hard time and now it is all getting okay. So you can say, "Still alive." Another way you can say is, "Surviving." How are you? Surviving, which means you're just living. Nothing much is happening. Nothing exciting is actually happening in your life. So you can say, "Surviving." And the last thing you can say is, "It could be worse." That means the situations can go even worse, and now it is kind of neutral. It could be worse. How are you? Oh, it could be worse. Lastly, let's see how to respond when your life isn't going really well. You're kind of under the weather. So, first thing you can say is, "I'm exhausted." "I'm exhausted." Like you've had a long day and you're really tired. You've come back from a long trip and you're laying in your bed and someone asks you, "How are you?" Then you can say, "I'm exhausted." Second thing is, "I'm stressed." "I'm stressed." You can use this in situations like you have a deadline coming up or an exam coming up and you really feel the heat inside. Situations like that, you can say, "I'm stressed." Then you can say, "Things have been rough lately." This you can say in situations where you are going through a lot of difficult times, you are going through a very tough situation in your life. So you can say, "Things have been rough lately." Then you can say, "Don't ask." Don't ask, which means your situation is so bad, you don't even want anybody to ask you, "How are you?" So when someone asks you, "How are you?" in situations like that, you can say just, "Don't ask." Don't ask. "How are you?" Oh, don't ask. The last one is, "I don't even know anymore," which means you've got enough of all the troubles in your life and you're really fed up with it. So in situations like that, you can use, "I don't even know anymore." How are you? "I don't even know anymore." So these are the different responses you can give in different situations of your life when someone asks you, "How are you?" If you want to take your English speaking skills to the next level, please do join us on an online one-on-one English training programs. To know more about this, please do contact us on the number given below. So I hope this video was useful. Let's see in another video.